And how does a person that's just, okay, so they want to do this, they want to make their fortune in real estate, but they're not at the accredited investor level. What do they do to get started? What's like the easiest route you tell people when they ask you this?
I think important thing is to get your money working for you. It's going to be tough to really start producing the amount you need to be an accredited investor. So one way you could do it is on the active side, the GP side. There's a lot of different ways to come into a multifamily deal as a GP. The two most common ways are locating a deal. So if you learn what to look for, how to look for it, and then you locate a good deal and you bring that to somebody else, let's say Elevate, my company, that will be worth value there. And then you can begin to build your net worth doing it that way. The other most common way is being able to raise equity. So if you think you got a good network and a lot of friends and family that may want to invest their money and be passive investors, then you can bring equity to other deals and get part of the general partnership as well.